Well, hello. Sorry about the little pink light and all. I've got a garden growing everywhere. These I'm going to unbox for you. I found these for $9.99, which was a pretty good price. And I'm putting the link in the description below. I don't know how long they're going to stay that way. So it was $9.99 for one. So I went ahead and got the one with two so I could give one to my mom. I'm going to show you a couple little experiments with them. It's called a Hygrometer. Oopsie. It's called a Hygrometer. I had one and I dropped it, so it wasn't working for me anymore. But these, you stick the prongs down into your pot and it'll tell you, I'll go get a pot here in a minute, it'll tell you whether it's dry or wet. I have made so many mistakes, overwatering, underwatering. This saves my life. I couldn't get another one there for a while. So it'll also check your, see, it has a little lever here, so that's your moisture. This is the pH of your soil. It'll tell you your pH in here. And also, and we're going to show you this one too. I love this one because there are some tests that take hundreds of dollars in equipment to do, and they test for PAR. Yeah, I don't know. All I know is how much light is coming down from the light and actually hitting the canopy of your plant. This does a really good job with that. For $9.99, I just couldn't pass it up. It's one of my best friends, along with my little microscope I carry around in my pocket all the time. So yeah, I'm going to show you a few things. I'm going to get a couple of plants in here and we're going to see, do they need water or do they not? It can be hard to know. If I was me thinking, I would think, ooh, look at how dry this is. I wonder if I underwatered it. But it could be the opposite. I could have overwatered it. And sticking my finger in there, well, yeah, they're a shallow rooted thing anyway. But let's see what this says. I'd rather go with that. So I'm going to stick it down in there. Can you see that? Oh, it says he's dry. So I know, wait a minute, I don't have the moisture one on. Yep, that's always important. That would be an important one to know. So, yeah, he's still on the dry side over there. So I wouldn't have known. So he needs to get some more water. Let's check one more. Ooh, I got that dialed in pretty far, don't I? Alright, well, that's my anthurium. So let me, oh, get burnt. Let me stick this in here. And see, it tells me that it's getting slightly dry. But with an anthurium, I want to wait. I'm going to wait just a little bit longer because I want it to dry out in between. See, I know what the plants need, but I don't always know the moisture level that they already have. So I'm going to go stick this back where it belongs and put this Hygrometer back in it. Only I want to judge how much light is coming out from the light fixture above it. It should be 500, but let's go see. Caused me a little bit of grief there for a moment or two because I put it in the pot like this. Oops. And then put it under the light. But all you really have to do is lay it down like this under the beam of the light, and then you could tell how much light is affecting side to side and what I call the shadow of the light. Yeah, I got really worried because I took this into my bloom room, which has the most amount of light in it, and I went, oh no, you know, because it was only like showing 200 watts or something. It's because I had it like that. To read it properly, you need to do it like that. Just hold it flat down. So yeah, I'm feeling much better here. Oh, you know, it isn't thrips, it's something, but see, I was underwatering the poor thing. But with one of these, you don't have to make that guesswork anymore. And for the price, I think it was worth it. I used my other one for years till I dropped it. And now I got an extra one to give my mom. So, there you have it. Huh, I'm feeling a little bit better at the moment. I have some organic ingredients I'm going to add into my whole thing here. I think I talked to you a little bit already about adding the sea kelp. I already did that. But I haven't done the liquid teas yet, and I haven't done the bloom yet. I'll open it up for you and show it to you and explain to you how it works. But so far so good, and I'm really happy to have this. To at least have one of these and one of those little microscopes, I think they're like $8.99 or something. They'll be your best friend forever. Well, you guys have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. And I appreciate your time. Thank you. And I'll be talking to you later. Bye.